Hi, and welcome to Wood Green Academy's first video newsletter on the topic of online safety and some updates on our digital systems. If video is not for you, then we have sent out a traditional version of the newsletter. It's quite a long read, I'm afraid, to parent and carer emails, as well as being able to download it from the school website in our letters section. So, first of all, some really important updates that all parents and carers need to be aware of regarding class charts and how we're going to be communicating with you from September 2024. So currently, class charts allows parents to look at homework, attendance, behaviour and timetable. We're trying to streamline our communications to make it easier for parents and carers, so we're going to be including the following functions in class charts from September. Firstly, reporting absence via the class charts app, so there'd be no need to phone in. That can be notified via the app and includes the potential to attach information such as medical appointment letters. We'll be sending out school letters and links to video newsletters via the class charts app. Detention notifications, we're no longer going to use our text system. We will send a notification out to the class charts app, and other messages home will also come via the class charts app. Don't worry, in urgent circumstances, we will still pick up the phone, but as you can see, it's absolutely critical that parents and carers get onto the class charts app, and we want to support you with that process as well. So we understand that not every parent will have an activated account, or maybe it's some time since you've been on. Throughout the remainder of June, we will be sending emails out notifying you if you need to activate your account, and we will provide you with an activation code via the email that we have for you. And we'll also send out links to the self-help guides to get you on board and started with the app. If at that point there are still problems, then please do email digihelp@woodgreenacademy.co.uk. That goes straight to our IT support team, who will work with you to get you up and running and on board and familiar with the system, ready for use in September 2024. We'd also like you to draw your attention to our online safety support for parents and carers. This is now being updated within the safety and wellbeing section of our school website. It's full of useful information where you can search and find out about any online safety issues you might be concerned about. So we have access to these sound bites, and we also have downloadable guides from the National Online Safety Group. You'll notice in both circumstances that we're also featuring specific elements that we think parents and carers should be aware of. So in this case, please do have a look at the AI Virtual Friends download with lots of information about young people, AI and the dangers via apps such as Snapchat. And along these lines of AI, we do want to give parents and carers a head up about some issues in and around AI and how we're going to be using it moving forward at Wood Green. First off, please be aware that AI providers like ChatGPT do have a minimum age requirement of 13 as part of their terms and conditions, and also require parental permission for 13 to 18-year-olds. Now, we're reflecting this at Wood Green Academy. We've updated our acceptable use agreement for ICT, which is available in the policy section of the school website. But essentially, a couple of pointers here. We will say year 9 and upwards, as long as parents and carers are also allowing this, that AI can be used in certain circumstances for homework, but the classroom teacher will let the students know when that is appropriate and also how to use it effectively. Because obviously we don't want students just copying and pasting out of an AI answer, because that's not a teaching and learning process. Students and staff actually must also reference their use of AI, so they are acknowledging that they have used it in an appropriate way. Again, teachers will guide students through this, but there's a couple of examples of what that might sound like on screen. And this ensures that students are not going to be accused of plagiarism or malpractice, so essentially cheating. In terms of the age element, the reason for this, and it's an online safety element, is that AI can sometimes, without being prompted to, generate inappropriate content. It can create bias, and sometimes it just gets information wrong. So having age and maturity to deal with that and manage that is really, really important. So please be aware of that as we move forward with technology advancing all the time. And lastly, We're pleased to note that Sandwell has made available a free wellbeing coaching app. It's come through the Black Country NHS Foundation Trust. It's free for 12 months. It's normally just under £70 for a year's annual subscription. And essentially, it's a place for students to download, let off steam and stress in a conversational way with a non-judgmental AI. The AI does point students as well to things that they can do to support themselves and also to relevant external help when that's deemed appropriate. If you want to find out more about this, please visit the Wellbeing section of our website, and there's a FAQ document and a parent care and information guide, and students can access the download information via the Wood Green Academy Student Hub. So it's a real opportunity to further support on this incredibly important topic. So thank you for listening. We'd love it if you could take a moment to answer a couple of questions on a short survey about what you think about a video newsletter, so we know whether we should use these in the future. Thanks for listening.